Okay, so I'm going to a mini keyboard meetup today. I thought I would try to vlog it. I don't have too much keyboard content on my YouTube, so this will be one of the first. I'm planning on bringing my little Vermillo number pad with some matching keys to go with my RK61. I think this just has some like cherry blue switches. It's nothing crazy. I just like the combination of the two. They help with streaming and stuff. And then of course my custom build, the one that got me all of my attention. It got really good, feedback the last time, so I just plan on bringing it again. I told the group that I was going to be vlogging it, so hopefully everybody brings some really interesting boards, and yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing everybody again. I didn't record too much. I didn't record anything the last time we did it. I just kind of took a bunch of pictures, but this time we're gonna vlog style this because the keyboard community is awesome, and I would like to showcase it more. The goal will be to be on my keyboard EU's poster the next time they design one. I want to be on it. I'm gonna be a keyboard enthusiast who's known enough to be on it, and to do so I need to make content. So first keyboard meetup this is the first one of 2021, but this is the first vlog style keyboard meetup. So hopefully people bring some nice boards and I get to record some cool stuff. Oh, didn't have me to start it. Just arrived to our destination. Gonna switch over really quickly. Oh my god. Oh, please stop losing your shit. There we go. Locked up. Here we go. Mini meetup.
Yeah, that's my set UK actions. How much is it? 9, 10 pounds? That's 9 pounds, yeah. Oh, fucking nice earrings, dude. I just noticed that. It's so quiet. What's with it? The person that sold it to me was from Houston. Yeah, that's what's I'm walking out. The third one you mean down? Yeah. I would have dropped it down on board. I don't sell it for that. Like it comes with you didn't keep it, man. 800. This always there? Yeah. That's the only one that's cut. Was that right there? I don't know why that's the surge.
Ordered a box of goodies.
Hey, look at you, so soft. Is that a banana split? It feels a little